If Opera is throwing a protocol error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy fix you can try on Windows. This is a simple step-by-step solution that can help clear out SSL issues and turn off a browser feature that may be causing the problem, so you can get Opera working again without the frustration. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, press Windows key +R on your keyboard. This opens the Run dialog box, which is the fastest way to access the Internet Properties window on your computer. In the Run box, type inetcpl.cpl and then press Enter. That command opens Internet Properties, where we can make one of the first important changes for this fix. Once the Internet Properties window appears, go to the Content tab. This tab contains settings related to certificates, secure connections, and SSL data, which can sometimes cause browser protocol problems when they become corrupted or outdated. Inside the Content tab, look for the Clear SSL State button. Click it once to clear the stored SSL information on your system. This is a helpful reset because it removes any saved secure connection data that may be interfering with Opera. After clicking it, choose OK to confirm the change. Now restart Opera so the browser can reload fresh settings and test the connection again. If the error is still there after that, we'll move on to the next fix. Open Opera and type Opera flags into the address bar, then press Enter. This will open Opera's experimental settings page where advanced browser features can be enabled or disabled. On this page, use the search box at the top and search for QUIC. QUIC is a network protocol that can sometimes improve performance, but in some cases it can also trigger connection issues or protocol errors. When the search results appear, find Experimental QUIC protocol. Next to it, open the drop-down menu and change the setting to disabled. This turns off the feature and can often solve the protocol error right away. After that, look at the bottom right corner of the page and click Relaunch. Opera will restart with the new setting applied, which is important because the change won't take effect until the browser relaunches. Once Opera opens again, try loading the website or page that was giving you the protocol error. In many cases, these two steps, clearing SSL State and disabling Experimental QUIC protocol, are enough to fix the issue and get everything working normally again. If the problem is gone, great, you're all set. If it still continues, you may want to check your internet connection, disable any VPN or proxy temporarily, or try updating Opera to the latest version. But for most users, this fix is the fastest and most effective place to start. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you solve the Opera protocol error, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides. See you in the next one.